Hello, how are you? Now I am going to show you how to make a auction product. To make auction product, you just need to go first in WooCommerce section, product, add new. Okay, we are here in products section. First of all, we need to add a product title. Like now we are going to add. Okay, this is our title, and we can add here product description. Mm, For, for this, I'm adding some demo content like okay, I'm adding this one, copy. You can add media form from here, and there are lots of styling you can use. You can add list, bold, quotation, everything. Now the here is the main part, product data. To make auction product, we need to add here auction. Okay, now all the option available here. Product condition, product type is normal or reserve, whatever you now I'm going to add a normal. Proxy bidding, start price. Start price mean from when you want to start. For example, we want to start from 1. Increment we can set like for example 1. There is a price you can add. If someone want to buy, they can buy for of that reserve price. Okay, now we need to add dates when we start and when we stop this auction. Okay, uh, I want to start from now, and it will be last maybe next week. 12. Okay, done. This is the main part of auction is done. Now there are some option available here. Automatic released. If the auction has been finished, then it will be automatically released if you click here and set the date. Okay, now I'm letting this blank, and there is product short description. If you want to add any short description, you can add simply here, and you can choose vendor from here. Okay, the available vendor. Okay, and here is the product image. You can add here simply. For example, we are adding this image. Okay, and you can add here is the category. You can also create a new category from click here, this category, test. Okay, image. Okay, has been done. This is the okay, no problem. You can add product tags. It will be help to your search engine. Attribute, you can set template. There are available template on your theme. You can add here. Okay, finish. Now we can hit the publish button. This is the way we can add our auction product. If we want to test, okay, we can add here simply, or we can add from here. Bid, starting bid, increment, everything will be working. Our description, vendor, okay, everything is fine.